Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. I have a really fun gift card holder for you today. This is my Merry and Bright gift card holder. How wonderful is this front cover panel? You have this really pretty text right here, that fun layered bell. There's a little city scene here in the background and some really cute presents. When you open up the card there's a spot for your gift card. And of course I include an envelope as well. These gift card holders make gift giving really easy and really fast. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's take a look at our materials and get started. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, weeding tool, brayer, scraper, adhesive or glue, and your cardstock. Now that we have all of our materials, we can go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2024. If you're watching this video when the project debuted, you can go to the event page and download the cut file there. If you have a VIP access pass, the download button will be below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has concluded, you can find the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP access pass, that gives you full access to the entire event, as well as printable worksheets, commercial licensing, as well as bonus cut files, head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HJJ24. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the menu. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the pop-up piece. Now that we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and the inside pop-up piece, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to layer up the front cover panel for our gift card holder. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. Now, what I love about this particular design is that you can add or take away as much as you want on this design. I think that it would even be pretty just to have the Merry and Bright sign on the front of the gift card. But it's totally up to you. I'm going to show you all the different pieces that I have available for you, and you can make your own decisions when you go ahead and make yours. So I would refer you to the layering guide. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put all of this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. And there is our little cover panel for our card. I'm going to set that to the side so that can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines for the card base. Set that to the side for a moment. Now we can go ahead and fold all of the different pieces for the pop-up portion of this gift card. So I'm going to freeze the screen here for just a second so you can take a look. I'm going to put a little graphic that will show which folds are going to be mountain folds and which folds are going to be valley folds. So I'm going to go ahead and fold those now. All right, and that is how it's supposed to look. Let's take our card base, and I'm going to add one section at a time to the inside. And now I'm going to add glue to the other side. Fold that over. Just like that. And now we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And there we go. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel. So I'm going to add my glue to the outer edge. Flip it over and place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom edge of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our gift card holder is all set. Go ahead and open it up and place that card right inside. How fun was that card? Like I said before, you could use as many or as little of these embellishments as you wish. The options are completely yours. I was just showing you all the different varieties that I have available for you. I hope that you like this card. If you make it, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.